Hi cutie, Grace here. Today I'm going to draw Pokemon McDonald's Happy Meals. So let's get started. Draw a straight line down and a straight line to the right. Now again a straight line down. So at the bottom, a straight line again to make a square. So at the top box I will make some line here and remain some spaces to draw the Pikachu ears. So here is the Pikachu ears. I hope you are following with me. So simple curve line smoothly. Okay, now is the box handle. We'll be slowly drawing for it. It looks like a cute box handle, right? Okay, here two round eyes and one nose with a cute smile for Pikachu. And now we have Pikachu. I really hope I made it fun and easy for you to following with me and inspire you to draw it too. Thank you so much for watching. If you love it, please make sure to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new videos. See you later.